Alright guys, we got this one right here for the gas tank. And like I said in the last video, I would change it. So you gotta make sure you take the cap off and the bolt. This one, that one, this one right there, that one, and that one. You don't want to mess with this one because that goes to the blade right there. And then you're gonna come to this side over here and take out that one, and that one. So right now we're gonna be taking that out. So let's get started. And the tools you'll need will be a flat screwdriver right here, a flat one. You can either use a ratchet, but I use the electric one. And you're gonna need size 8 and number 10. So right now, we're gonna come over here and take this off. You're gonna use the size 10 for that one. For this one right here. And when you do that, always make sure you have it to the left. Strange, don't look like that one wants to come out. Alright, well that ain't coming out. Good thing we got the screwdriver right here. And we're gonna pry it through and see what's going on. So that ain't working. We're gonna come down here and try to get these bolts. Alright, well that one didn't come out, so now that's quite concerning. So right now, I'm gonna go get some DW40 to loosen those up. So right now I'm back with some good looking DW40, and we're gonna spray it not on the bolts, but that's optional. So we're gonna spray it on the bolts so it can get seeped inside of it. On all the bolts you need. And make sure you get on the inside too from where the bolts are. You probably won't be able to see them, but if you can do it, then try going under it and flipping that over too. So I saw that part right there, and right now most of them should come out. The other side, we'll get to that one too. For right now, let's take these ones out. They still aren't coming out, so that means wow, probably they don't want to come out, and that gives me more of a problem. So I'm gonna try to pry it open again. Well, that didn't do nothing. So maybe we'll try this one for right now, see if this one would come out. They still don't want to come out. So now that's getting a little strange because I already put DW40 on them. So now we're gonna try to get these off, and maybe that is the reason why those won't come off. So let's take off the 10, put on size 8, and then we're gonna take the cap cover off for right there. Like I said, there's 3 bolts, one there, and one. So there's one on the left side, the right side, and in the middle. So these bolts did end up coming off. So I got one bolt done. Let's get the second one. The second one's off. Let's get the last one. Now that we got all 3 of those bolts off, make sure you put them in a box or somewhere very visible. I'm gonna put those right there. And now that we got that off, this should come off really good. And put this like right there towards the side. And usually what I do is when I'm done and I take something off, I put the bolts back in. So then when you need them, you'll remember where they are and they can't get lost. Because if you do end up losing the bolts, then you lose the whole thing. You get it? Ha 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 ha. So you get everything done. You screw those back in, and then you see all that? It came undone. So like I said, you're gonna have to take the gas cap off and come over here and take this off. So, oh dang it. Oh, I just cracked it. Right there. But that's fine. I mean, it's old and old. So, now, we're gonna have to forget that right now and go to the other side. And I'm gonna show you. So, try to take those bolts off. And now, those ones should come off. So we're gonna take number 8 off from taking those off. Take number 8 off, put number 10 on, and now this one came off like butter. So hopefully that one comes off. This one should come off nicely. I hope. So clearly that one didn't come off nice, so let's try this one. Well, it ain't dead, so that means if it don't go, like, you see, it stopped, try going up, and use it just like a ratchet. And by the time when it gets loosened up, then you'll be able to use it. Oh. Alright. Change of plans. I just saw this, and I didn't see that till now, but there's bolts right there on the side that something has to stop it so we can use that. So that's why those bolts didn't come off, and that is why those bolts won't come off. But now we're gonna have to go get some pliers. Hold on a minute while I go get some. Now, I got these pliers right here. It's gonna hold them in place while we twist it. Now, we're gonna do the top one up here. Hold it. Now, those bolts came out quite nice. So, after we get that bolt off, don't forget to do the same thing with this side. And this one don't want to work. This one keeps slipping. Well, that one's quite rusty. So we're gonna use some more DW480 on this side, and some more on that side. So maybe this is the same size for that. It is not. So we're just gonna use this. On this side, hold it in like that. Hold it in place. And it still keeps on slipping, but it does look quite loose. So we're gonna get back to that side in a second. For right now, we're gonna do this side. So as you can see, that side also came out. I'm gonna put the bolt right there. And for that side, since they're more tucked in into the back, these are gonna be more harder because the plastic gotta come off. So now that just made this a lot more harder to do. So plastic came off like that. Oh, it cracked again. Yeah, so if you guys see, like, if it cracks a lot when you try to open it, that means it's old and bad. So when you get those bolts open, you got to get the bolt open right there. So this one's really, really stripped. So this one's going to be a lot harder to do. But we're going to come look under here. So there is a bolt under there. So we're going to try to get that bolt done. So that one's also stripped. For right now, we're going to use some DW480 because it is rusty. And some under there. So as that seeps in into the little holes and loosens that up, I'm going to go get some tools to get that out with ease. For right now, we're going to see if these work. So that one is not coming out under there, as you can see. That bolt right there. And that's a problem for us. So right now, we're going to try to get that out. And hopefully, it would like to cooperate with me to get it out. So either I could just break it and have to pay more than I have to right now. So we're just gonna try to get this out, and with a screwdriver, there is a washer under it, so try to get that loosened up, and then come under here and do the same with that side. Just put it all around the bolt so the rust can come out and it's going to be more easier to get undone. So for right now, I'm going to go get some tools for this, and hopefully they would come out. So I did end up finding a bolt for it. It is 7/16. So we're gonna take this one off, which was 10, and put it onto this one and take it out. Well, that came loose now. Now, just like those bolts, we got to get the top one loose. So we're gonna use this. So it's still slipping, and right now that is something that we will have to get out. So right now we're gonna end the video off. So if yours is not as rusty as mine, as you can see, that is rusty on this side and on that side. So we're gonna have to get that done on another video. Right now it's just super hot, so I'm gonna get that done on another video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment on any snowblower, lawnmower, leaf blower, any yard equipment, or weed whacker. Anything you know, tell me the make, model, anything about it. And if I have one just like that, which I have a lot, anything you know and you don't know how to fix, just leave me a comment and I will check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.